Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And your device ran into problem and cannot be repaired. So click only one space, okay? And after that you can see more recovery options. And after that click troubleshoot. Troubleshoot, okay? And then click to again troubleshoot. Then click advanced option and then click system restore. System restore point. Then next. Then show more restore point, click it. After that you can see and select any older one, which okay, select any older one. And sometime first is not working, then try to same thing in another restore point. And after that next. Now your system restore point is restoring your system. So might be it will take some time, 10 to 15 minute, okay? So now you can see system restore point is successfully completed. Now click to restart. Now your system is finally boot. You can see. Okay. Thank you.